So it's late April and we're just starting our early season invasive plant management. And the main species we're focusing on at this time of the season is garlic mustard. Garlic mustard is a highly invasive herbaceous plant. It's a biennial, it reproduces via seed, and it's prolific in that. Any single plant can produce up to 8,000 seeds, creating a huge problem year over year. For garlic mustard, we do recommend treating it with an herbicide application. The reason for that is because of its prolific seeding, the weed seed bank around any plant is likely rife with more seed. So the process of hand pulling does create a soil disturbance that potentially reintroduces more seed to that soil surface. Because it's a biennial, it will bolt, produce seed, and that seed becomes next year's crop. At the stage of where it's bolting and it's past its flower, we do recommend hand pulling that plant to prevent it from self-seeding and introducing more seed into the environment. The understanding though is that hand pulling will create some soil disturbance and potentially be another spot for the next season in which to look towards controlling. What's particularly helpful at this stage in the late April timeframe going on to early May is we're just seeing the second year growth start to flower, and we're starting to see that first year growth germinate and emerge. So that single pass controls first and second year growth and allows us to be more thorough in our long-term management of the space.